This is one of the special rooms. I was very excited whenever we were able to book this room.
Oh, wow.
Well, let's go in and check it out.
Welcome to another episode of It's the Journey Travel Edition. Today, we're aboard the Disney Dream, the first of Disney Cruise Line's second set of ships in their magical fleet. For this sailing, we're in cabin 6510, a Category 8A Deluxe Family Oceanview room, lovingly called a split room or double porthole cabin because of those two awesome windows. The Disney Dream launched in 2011 and is known for its Art Deco vibe, family-friendly activities, and incredible dining. Ready to check out our cozy home for this trip? First thing you'll notice, this place feels spacious. For a cruise ship cabin, it's got a lot of breathing room, which is perfect for families or anyone who likes to stretch out. On this 3-night Bahamian cruise, we were joined by our friends Scott and Liz from Must See Adventures. They were in a unique room of their own, cabin 6192, the flagpole cabin. Fun fact, the Disney Dream is 1,115 feet long, and our room at the very forward of the ship was just about as far away from their aft room as possible. It was a 4-minute walk from our room to theirs, door to door. Please check out their room tour of this one-of-a-kind cabin. Now back to the tour. This cabin isn't officially an accessible room, but it is packed with features for guests with mobility needs in case the cruise line would need to use it as one. Let's dive into those. First stop, the bathroom. Get this, it's super roomy, way bigger than your average cruise ship bathroom. Instead of a step, you've got a smooth ramped entry making it a breeze to roll right in. The roll-in shower is a standout. Tons of space with wheelchair height shelves and a soap dish built right in. And check out these grab handles, perfect for extra support whenever you need it. Back in the main room, let's peek at that closet. They've added a super handy pull-down handle for the clothes rod, easy to reach and adjust, which is a game changer for accessibility. And here's a fun touch, there's even a doorbell.
We have a doorbell.
Our cabin steward used it to let us know our luggage had been delivered to the room. Sleeping arrangements in the cabin are 2 in the queen bed, 1 in the hidden pull-down bed tucked in the ceiling, and a sofa that flips down into another bed. Now this cabin doesn't come without its drawbacks. Here's the not-so-magical part. This cabin's a bit light on storage. Most cabins on the Dream have 4 closet sections, but this one's got just 3. Plus, there's only 3 drawers in the vanity, and no other cabinets or drawers anywhere. Even the bathroom has just 1 tiny cubby. For our 3-night sailing, it's totally fine. Short trips don't need tons of storage, but for longer cruises, it could get tricky. Our hack? Magnetic hooks. The walls and ceiling are metal, so we brought some hooks to hang bags, towels, you name it. They were a lifesaver. We also brought S-hooks to hang things on the towel bars. They came in really handy. Some additional features we noticed around the room include Disney, formerly H2O brand sea salt and sea marine shower and basin products. A retractable clothesline that reaches all the way across the length of the bathroom, perfect for drying those bathing suits from your day at the beach. A small TV in an odd location. And finally, each side of the bed has a small shelf. The left side has the room phone, but no power outlet. The right-hand side has 1 US outlet and 1 European-style outlet. We bring a power adapter and a 10-foot USB cable so the person on the left can charge their devices overnight. Below the vanity is a small chill box, perfect for 6 packs of soda or anything you'd like to keep cool. As we wrap up, I'll show you the Castaway Club Gold membership gifts we received. Cabin 6510 on the Disney Dream. It's spacious, has those gorgeous double portholes, and some great accessibility features, even if it's a little short on storage. This cabin was a great home base for our magical cruise. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you on deck.